We have new information tonight in the investigation into the murder of a Manhattan college freshman. Right now, the key to the solving of the case may be sitting in a lab. CBS 2's Jessica Layton has more.
18-year-old Tessa Majors should be home in Virginia on winter break, celebrating the holidays with her family. Instead, a memorial of candles and Christmas trees near Morningside Park grows in her honor, steps from where police say she fought for her life. As cops work to crack the chilling case, a 14-year-old questioned and released to his attorney a day ago may have some much-needed answers.
There was a court order by a Manhattan judge to obtain forensic evidence from the subject.
Chief of Detectives Rodney Harrison did not specifically call that forensic evidence DNA, but sources say that's exactly what they got.
Forensics evidence could come back within 3 to 7 days. So once again, it's still early on.
The DNA developments came after days of trying to find that boy, implicated last week by a 13-year-old who was first arrested for the deadly stabbing. Another 14-year-old was also questioned. Police wouldn't confirm reports that Majors bit her murderer during the struggle or that the latest teen's family tried to shield him from cops until a bite mark healed on his hand. Sources also tell CBS 2 police are using cell tower technology to confirm those 3 teens were at the scene when Tessa Majors was murdered. We're told surveillance video from nearby does not show the moment of the stabbing, but witnesses do put teens in the park around the time of the attack on December 11th. People who live close by are anxious for those responsible to be in custody, understanding the killers might be kids.
Police need to do what they're supposed to do the right way, but I also think I want these people who did this caught.
There is a fine line of respecting the rights of the minor and making sure that they're able to collect everything they need to.
Their hopes may hinge on that key evidence just collected that's already been sent to the lab. In Morningside Park, Jessica Layton, CBS 2 News.